म्हयने पयले हांवें डिसायड केलें दुबय वतलो म्हणून. बट एकटो फ्रेंड आनी हांव मायल्स हाय कॅफे बेक हावस थंय बसलेले आमी. आनी मॅनेजमेंटाक म्हाका इंट्रोड्यूस केलो ताणें आनी ते म्हणले रॉकी तूं इतकें केलां गोंयांक लागून. म्हाका येवजलें की गोंयचे मांडे जे आसा कितके आसा, दीज आर सॉंग्स ऑफ अनरिक्विटेड लव आनी सॉंग्स ऑफ यर्निंग. But they are like 120 years old, 110 years, 100 years old. Among these Mando books, I found one book, Crown of Mandos, and another book by Mr. C.M. Estebero. I used the song C.M. Estebero's Mando called Surya Devon Gelo, Mando for today's day, for Valentine's Day. And at Bake House, which is now called Cafe Studio, we have Mr. Coutinho, who wrote this Mando for his wedding. And as is mentioned in the Crown of Mandos, the young men of Goa used to go to other countries via sea in the dhows, maybe to Angola, Timor, and other African places. And the girl is waiting by the seashore, by her window, waiting for him to come back, but he never returns. If you see that way, every day is a day to fall in love. You fall in love not only with persons, but also with yourself. You fall in love with all of creation, knowing that in them exists a little bit of you. And it is that longing to find that oneness in everything around you. One can draw many inferences. It is just a work of art by our team at Miles High, just to bring out the culture that has been in the classical Mando period of Goa. A girl sings this Mando, accompanied to a violin and a gumot. But here I've not used both, though I play. I gave this for the new generation, a new look, a new sound on a clavinova, which is a digital piano. And I played it myself, just one piano, one take, and one voice. So this is arranged, a rearrangement by me. Using the same motifs, I created a new intro and a new outro. And inspired by this Mando, this is just an inspiration, not a deviation. This is just an inspiration. And I will play on different instruments, maybe the remaining Mandos. This is an ongoing project to revive the culture of listening to Mandos.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.